Hey guys, it's Luke here. This is my den. That's why there's a mattress in the background there. It's really cool. It's just this tiny little space where I can do my work. Yeah. So anyway, the reason I'm making this video is I just wanted to point out something I've noticed in the programming community where you watch tutorials, and sometimes when I used to watch tutorials, I get this feeling where I had to know everything by the end of that tutorial. Like I had to fully understand that concept. And this used to disappoint me because I would often watch a concept and then later on I'd like try and dig in and pull that out of my mind, and I couldn't do it because I didn't remember. It wasn't part of my fingers. It wasn't a part of me. And that's one of the reasons I created the video series that I'm working on right now. There's only one video at the moment, which is just it's all about view directives, and it's over an hour and a half. So yeah, most of you would probably think, an hour and a half on view directives? Are you kidding me? Like, who's going to spend that much time on one concept? And the reason it goes for that long is because there's only a tiny amount of the time is actually teaching you the concept of view directives, like understanding how they work. Then we go through everything. We take it to its limits. It's like, all right, so now that we know what a view directive is, what has it got to offer? Like, what are all the different hooks that we can hook into? What's the difference between all of those hooks? And then after I've explained and sort of gone to the edges of all these concepts, we then go one step further and we do 5 different examples with view directives. So like the very last example is super cool. You get to create your own v-validate directive. And I know that a package already exists for that, but by doing this, you get to explore a concept so much deeper. And then later on, when you're writing your code, when you're writing your view components and you feel like you need a directive there, it's so easy. It's a part of your fingers now. Just going that, view.directive and then putting in the name, it's just part of how you think now. And it becomes, I keep saying this, it becomes a part of you. That's why I call that the series, making view a part of you. So it's the way you think. You go to bed at night and you can think in directives and you can write this code in your head. So you can wake up in the morning excited, sit at your computer and then just start smashing out some view directives and just smashing out some view code and making all this a part of the way that you think. So I just wanted to say that, I feel like coders put a lot of pressure on themselves and they expect themselves to just know things. And so we're constantly reaching for the documentation. Wouldn't it be cooler if this was just a part of the way you think, right? You understand these concepts so deeply that it's how you move. It's literally a part of you. Anyway, I'm Luke. I'm the creator of the Making View a Part of You series. Check it out. I think you'll find it really helpful. See you guys.